What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So you know what we're here to talk about. LOOPRING, LRC, what did it do today? What was the impact today? What's the news? What's going on? We need to know all of the details here. So guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Also, check out some of my links in the description down below. It seems like a lot of people want to see these videos, so this is why I continue to create them. I will make other videos as well, but this is a position that I'm invested in, not heavily invested into, but I am invested into. I do have 500 coins, just to be as transparent as possible. I know some people look at this as like, hey, you're just trying to push something that you are invested in. I want to let everybody know that I don't tell anybody to invest in anything. I'm telling you the information and some details to why I believe it's a good investment for me. If you feel as though it is a good investment, then you can make whatever move you want to make. But I just want to say it like that, just to be clear, transparent, let you guys know that I'm not pushing any single position because I have a ton of positions. I show you all of my positions as I go through it. And actually, I'll go through it right now and show you guys that if I go up to LOOPRING, you're going to see I have 500 at $1,676, right? So it obviously just changed. But that's my position. Very transparent. Just wanted to give you guys that information. So guys, if you want more details on crypto stocks, you know, all of that stuff, you know, dividends, anything like that, hit the link down in the description for the Discord group for Patreon. If you sign up for the second level, you'll be able to get all the videos that I put together. The third level includes a ton of, you know, like books and, you know, readings and going over day trade information and things like that, and more educational stuff than anything. So if you guys want that, sign up for the Patreon. Definitely check it out. I think it's, you know, well worth it. But let's go ahead and talk about LOOPRING. This is what we're here to talk about. Today actually made a pretty decent move. Now, you saw yesterday how it did get up to the level of, you know, basically $4. And I said, in my video, I said that, you know, there was articles saying that this could get up to a level of $5 by the end of the day with the movement that it was doing. Yes, that was definitely possible. However, it did not make that move over, you know, the time where we expect a lot of crypto to make some moves overnight. Didn't do that. It ended up falling down a little bit, but started to increase. So as we see today in the beginning of the day at 1 a.m., you can see here that it was at $3.73. And then started to decrease as it got towards that 4 a.m. mark where we expected that to be at its peak. So the peak was actually at 1 a.m. this time instead of being at that 4 a.m. mark like we have seen before. But this actually started to decrease today, but hit that level of, you know, $3.73. That's phenomenal to be able to see something like that. But like I said, it started to decrease, fell down to the level where it is now, $3.34. It's still up about 7%, 7.86%. Don't know where these timestamps are, if it starts at like 12 a.m. or if it starts at 6. I don't really know exactly when the cutoff happens to where the day increase happens. But you can see over the past day, it's up 7%. Over the past week, it's up 206%. Over the past month, it's up 809%. And over the past year, it's up 1,748%. And if we look at all, it's up 2,700 and 2,699%. It just changed. So yeah, that's what we're looking at there. If you guys wanted to check out the detail here, you can see down here that circulating supply is 1.3 billion, very low. Typical hold time still 7 days. It's probably going to change to 8. It looks like a lot of people are holding this. Popularity has increased. It's at 31. The volume has increased as well over the past 24 hours, 16.3%. And you're seeing that the market cap is at 4.1 billion, which is around that average territory for anything that's in like the top 100 coins or so, right? You can see that level. If you take out Bitcoin and Ethereum, that's what you're looking at really. So all in all, not a bad day. It's a good day if we wanted to just look at the day and understand that we're up, you know, 17 or 14%. This thing keeps changing. I don't really understand Coinbase at times, but here we go. It says we're up 14%, almost 15%. So that's what we're looking at there. I also wanted to go through this article here. This article talks about the partnership with GameStop, or potential partnership with GameStop. I don't want to say that it's confirmed. Basically asking the question, will GameStop launch an NFT marketplace using LOOPRING technology? basically they're talking about the rumors, and the rumors have been swirled across the internet in regards to GameStop working together with LOOPRING to create the NFT marketplace, which would be amazing. And the reason why this would be amazing is because that partnership, tied with something like GameStop, not only because it's tied to a business that people love, or I guess a qualified business to be able to do something like this. It's tied to something that is part of this, Reddit community and, ape community. And the mindset is to hodl, right? And if the mindset is to hodl and you hold something like LOOPRING, and have the same mindset there, well, now you're going to see this price skyrocket because people are holding the position and consistently hold that position. As they're buying it, they're holding more, and they're buying more, and they're holding that, and they're buying more, and they're holding that. So right now it's actually a rumor, and a lot of people are concerned about the whole like buy the rumor, sell the news, whether it's going to be something like that, because this is a rumor, and whenever the news breaks, is it going to be something that decreases? I don't think we'll actually see that. And the reason being is because if it does show that it's pinned to GameStop, the mindset behind GameStop is to hold, and it's not to sell off once the news does happen. That's not how things work. So you're getting a lot from that community over to this position because of that rumored partnership. Over the last few weeks, rumors have been gaining traction on the internet that GameStop is partnering up with LOOPRING to launch an NFT marketplace. And there was a lot of tweets that were going around, I guess, to GameStop's account, asking them when they were going to announce this type of information, when they were going to announce this speculated partnership, which would be amazing to just hear it from their mouth, or I guess from text, and see how the market actually reacts. But once this does react, it's going to be massive. Once this does happen, LOOPRING is going to be massive once GameStop announcement comes through. That's exactly what they said right there. I'm doing my best to build up stake now before it takes off. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Now, I'm not saying you have to do that, or you have to, take anything I'm saying as the truth. Take everything I'm saying with a grain of salt. None of what I'm saying is financial advice. It's merely just my opinion, and I'm telling you why I believe in the position. A lot of times I, want to preach, why I believe in a position. And if you feel as though what I said was worthwhile, you can look into it, build your own hypothesis, and basically come to a conclusion as you do, see all of that research that you put together, all that DD that you put together. So all in all, LOOPRING, I've given my reason. If you guys want to check out exactly what's going on with LOOPRING and where my potential of the coin actually is, short-term, long-term, all of that, I have a video to where I talk about that. And if you guys want me to put out a separate video just to break down the potential and don't worry about any of the detail of what did happen during the day, let me know. I can always break down that potential and see where it's going to go and show you guys my Excel spreadsheet. But guys, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for putting up with me. I appreciate all of the new subscribers that I got over the last maybe like week or so since I've really been talking about LOOPRING. I think I gained about 1,000 subscribers, and now we're up to 128,000 subscribers. So if we can get up to 130, that would be phenomenal. I can't wait to get up to 150. I feel like that's the next milestone, and then 200 and all that stuff. So if you guys are interested in this content and talking about cryptocurrency and want to hear about anything else that I do feel has a little bit of potential, or why I feel like it has potential, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comment section below what you want me to talk about, because I can definitely talk about those. But I appreciate all of you for being here. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.